Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Learning is Fun with Surya. Guys, do you know where we are going? We're going to India to meet all my grandparents, relatives, and everybody else. Look at my brother, he's in shower, and we're going in the train to the B gate, our gate to our airplane. So we're traveling to our gate. Here you go. Let's zoom. It's gonna take just a little bit. There we go. That's our airplane, and we're gonna go there. See, they're getting all the luggage and putting it in those carriers so we can get our luggage back in India because we need them. I am looking at what they're doing outside the window, and I'm like dancing. And ours is an Air India flight. Guys, this is the way how they put the baggage into the storage pit into the airplane. So, look at that truck. Guys, you know there's COVID-19, right? So, they gave us a dress kit, face shields, and face masks that protects us from the COVID-19 virus. We boarded the flight in Dallas Airport, Washington, D.C. Guys, you have to do the COVID test within 72 hours of the travel. Initially, they did the temperature check. Then they allowed us for the baggage check-in. Look at that. It's very cool. I was very eager to play games in the screen, but it wasn't working. That's why I got very sad. Okay, my brother wants to go there. This is a controller. We can turn off and turn the lights, and you can increase and decrease the brightness. We also increase the sound and decrease the sound. It's so fun. And we can also call the air hostess if we need help. Whoa! That's becoming faster. Oh, that's too fast. Okay, let's do some new things. Let's connect the brightness. Whoa! The brightness just go to here and then a little bit bright. Let me put it 2 or 3. Wow! Oh, how did it do that? Guys, finally my flight started after the 3-hour delay. Oh, look at that view outside. It's very far, but it's close just for the airplane. So, wait and see. You'll get the runway. So when it gets to the runway, it will be ready to take off, guys. We're waiting for the clearance to take off, okay, guys? Let's see, that's the view from far. Guys, look at the equipment outside. There's so many things and I didn't know what they are. They're so cool. I don't know how the airplane in the airport uses them, but they're cooler than I thought. Hey, look at those United airplanes. They're so cool. There's some trucks passing by. Look at that big bridge. That's what connects the bus from one terminal to the other terminal so it can carry us. Guys, look at all the stuff and the equipment. I don't know what they are. They look like that has ladders and it like carries them and it says inland. And there's an airplane all the way there. What are those trucks? Whoa, one is connected to it, the United airplane. That's cool. And silly. So that's where the runway is. Right there. It's rolling on the runway. Guys, look at the flight just took off. We're gonna fly and go to India now. So since we can't do anything here, we just have to wait. We can see outside. Look now, we're in the sky. Yeah! We're in the sky, guys. Okay, I'm sleeping. Oh, it's almost night. Those are the streamlined windows. Okay, guys. Now is the evening. So it's almost nighttime. And I can't see the view outside that much clear. Okay, it looks like just a galaxy that's gonna get red and pink again. That's silly. But that's the sun. The sun looks like a star. Guys, we're almost done with our journey. They asked to fill the forms for the immigration check. Okay, look at me, I'm still sleeping because I want to sleep a little bit more. We're almost heading down, guys. Hey, look at those clouds. They're below us. They're below us. We're higher than the clouds. That's silly. I thought we were only below the clouds a little bit. But we're higher than the clouds. When we watch from the sky, it looks like the opposite. Guys, we're in India and we're heading to Delhi airport. And then we're gonna go to Visakhapatnam, which is another one. And then we're gonna meet our grandparents and relatives. Yeah! Guys, our flight is landing! We're in Delhi airport! Yeah! So it's like cool, and we're in the Delhi airport. So you can see the road and grass right. That means we're just landing down. Okay. So, see the view outside. It's like different than before. We can't see the clouds, right? Because we're just low. And it's like rolling like before. This time the flight journey was a little bit hectic. We reached Indira Gandhi International Airport at 1:40 p.m. We did the immigration check in Delhi and waited for the next flight. So guys, the border to Delhi to Visakhapatnam. This is our other flight, the Visakhapatnam flight. So, no, this is just the Delhi flight. So we're gonna go to Visakhapatnam. See the Delhi city lights from the airplane. Okay guys, we're in Visakhapatnam airport. My brother's just here. Visakhapatnam, the place where my whole family lives. Let's go. I'm so happy to meet all of my whole family. Julian got his Mickey Mouse and running. He's funny. These are some random pictures of us here. So, I hope you enjoyed my video. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for my channel. Please also watch my India to US vlog, which is coming soon.